Hello. Is this working? Testing, testing. Now where is that button? Hello. I'm Bot. Dr. Bot. I'm here to tell you all about your brain. Everything you think and feel comes from your brain. It controls how you move too. The brain is made up of different areas with different responsibilities. Let's look at them now. Here is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe regulates movement, reasoning, and emotions. This is the temporal lobe. It is responsible for processing auditory stimuli. Sorry, I am a bit rusty. The temporal lobe is also important for language, memory, and learning. The parietal lobe is important for understanding sensory information. If you are cold, or if you are tasting cake, your parietal lobe is busy at work. Here's your occipital lobe. It is responsible for helping our brain understand what our eyes are seeing. All of our lobes have multiple other very important functions and responsibilities that I will go into further in our next video. In the back of the brain here we have the cerebellum. It is most important for movement. All of these areas of the brain are made up of smaller parts, each with a different and designated function. All the hills and valleys on your brain are important as well. Each ridge is called a gyrus, and each depression is a sulcus. Let's go through that once more. Come on, follow me. Up here, on the hill is the gyrus. Down here in the valley is the sulcus. There are different ways to look at the brain too. If you cut a brain in half like in this way, it is called the sagittal plane. When you look at a brain like this, it is the coronal plane. Lastly, when cutting a brain in this direction, it is the horizontal plane, like the horizon. So sagittal is splitting it right down the middle. The left and right sides will be separated. Coronal cuts the front from the back, and horizontal splits the top from the bottom. There are also 4 important words when describing direction or location in reference to the center of the brain. They are rostral, caudal, dorsal, and ventral. A curve from the front of the brain towards the spinal cord creates the rostral caudal axis. The dorsal and ventral sides are always perpendicular to this. There are other words important to location within the brain, which we will discuss another time. So, in conclusion, take care of your brain. Never stop learning about it in the world around you. Go open a book or a window and see and smell. Let your brain show you everything it can do and more. So this is Dr. Bot signing off. And tune in for further lessons about your brain and you.